I'm Kirsten from the Online Academy of Irish Music and welcome to this channel. Here we're going to be learning a very popular and well-loved tin whistle tune called Toss the Feathers. This is a very rousing tune and it's sure to go down really well at your local session. I'm sure your friends and family will love it. In this lesson, I will be teaching it nice and slowly. This is the very first lesson in a course I'm teaching on our website, the Online Academy of Irish Music. The course is called Popular Irish Session Tunes for the Whistle. And here's a list of all the tunes that will feature on this course. Now here's a reminder, it's very important before you go learning a tune that you're familiar with it in your head and that you've listened to it a few times. So you can do this here, or if you want to download the tune, you can do that at our website here. If you'd like to download the sheet music or the ABC notation, you can do that at our website here. So why don't you grab your D whistle and let's get started with Toss the Feathers. The first phrase, starting on an E. It's E, B roll, D, B roll. B roll again. B, cut, tap, B, cut, tap. So you're taking one B and you're cutting it into three equal parts, three equal B notes. E, 1, 2, 3, D, 1, 2, 3. Moving on. Again. I'm separating the two B's with a cut. Rolling on the F, so I'm cutting with this finger and tapping with this one. From the start, after 2. 1, 2. Great. Going on. So B, then an E roll. And I start the B with a little cut as well. Again. Going on. Again. Remember to raise your finger for the middle D. Great. That's the whole of the first part. Really easy because that just gets repeated. Let's play the whole thing through nice and slowly 2 times. After 2. 1, 2. Notice how I ended the first part second time round on a D rather than the F, because that D is the leading note into the second part of the tune. Okay, let's continue with the second part. Notice how I'm raising my finger for the middle D's, okay? Just to give a clearer sound. So once more. You'll notice I'm cutting the two E's with this finger. That last bit again, ending on an E roll. Let's do the whole of the first phrase together from the B after 2. 1, 2. Great. Okay, moving on. Going up to the really, really high B's here. So when you're playing the B notes, I always commence the high notes with the tongue. It just sort of controls the air going through a bit better. So okay. So that ends the same as the first phrase. So let's take it from the start of the first part. 1, 2. Great stuff. Okay, moving on. Okay, so this phrase is just like the first phrase in the second part of the tune. It just ends on an A roll instead of an E roll. Great. And the last phrase starts on a very high B. I'm going to swoop up to it from the A. So high A roll in there. Once more. Great stuff. And ending with. Okay, the whole of the second part after 2. 1, 2. Great stuff. Just remember, if your high notes have a tendency to squeak, just remember to give a bit of a tongue before, and that helps with the squeaking. Lots of people ask how it's best to practice. Well, here at the Online Academy, we have the most amazing practice tool that I'm really excited to share with you. Here on our website, after you sign up, you get taken to our dashboard. And from there, you can click on are play along backing tracks. I'm going to choose reel here. And I'm going to put in the name Toss the Feathers. There it is. And I think I'll slow it down a bit, 75% speed. And I'll choose to play just with the accompaniment. If I prefer, I could choose melody and accompaniment. And now I have a really fun practice track to play along with, a great accompaniment track. These practice tracks, we've got hundreds of them for many different tunes. They're excellent for keeping your rhythm steady and your tempo steady, and also for staying in tune with the accompaniment track. 1, 2. If you've enjoyed learning this tune, Toss the Feathers, then join me over at the Online Academy of Irish Music for more tunes. You can avail of a 14-day free trial, and there are lots of whistle lessons and tunes for you to play along with. There's a forum where you can ask any questions that you might have, and there is play along sessions and play along backing tracks. So a lot to keep you busy. Until next time.